Got it here, Hover pen. Check this out. The blue comes with the little base, non-slip, so perfect pen for the office desk. Ooh, there's like 4 magnets, and it's just hover stands this way, so it looks like there's a pencil replacement or pen replacement. So just simple as that. Take it out, remove that. Let's see if it'll hang by itself. Not really, but I can stand there. So remove it, write it, plug it back in. Ooh, that's a stone magnet. So, and then we can spin it, and it spins with a minimum of tension. And check this out. That's a cool little pen for sure. Put this down, write, use it, plug it in, boom. And there's always a pen stand, and it's like quite satisfying to kind of like bounce it around, push the buttons. Oh, too far. So yeah, very cool little pen for sure. For the first gadget, I got it here, a really unique pen. As you can see, it's all braided with wire, like looks like aluminum and maybe copper. And whenever you press it, you see the whole pen goes in and out. This is about $300 pen. It's made in Germany. It says Germany, and there's the brand of it, Porsche design. So is it a Porsche design? I'm not really sure, but it's cool. Check this out. You see the whole pen kind of squishes together because of that braided design. I never seen a pen like that. So if you like collecting pens, that's definitely a must-have pen. Here's the cheapest Microtech on the market. MSI tri-grip polymer black. So scale material, handle, stone washed, partially serrated, and there's the SKU number or whatever it's called. Microtech is a really nice company, makes some epic knives. So the reason this knife makes it really cheap compared to the other ones, so like usually it's like $250, $280. This one is only $175, $180. This one Porsche serrated. This steel is very good material, M390 MK, not really sure what that means, but M390 is still usually really good. The handle on this one is a little bit cheaper. G10 makes this knife like $50 more, at least like $250, maybe even like $70 more. This is also incredibly smooth. This is almost like a gravity knife. Check this out. All I have to do is push on this lock and it wants to open. Incredibly smooth locking mechanism. For $180 Microtech knife, that's amazing. So 08 2023 MSI. Looks like there's no serial number. Some of them do, not this one. I don't know, what do I think? This is a good option for budget Microtech, especially first one. I do like G10 handle way better. This one is cheaper, but it bends. So G10 is much stronger. It does not bend like that. So I would pay $80 extra for the same knife just so I have a better scale. But the cool thing is there is different companies like Platinum make custom scales. If you're going to like replace scale anyways, might be a good idea to get one of these knives and upgrade the scale into a titanium scale or like Damascus, whatever. So, but incredibly smooth knife. I love it. MSI, cheapest on the market. Heads up, they sell out really fast. For the next gadget, I got this right here from Arizona Custom Knives. This is a handmade D22 USA 210. I think it was made in 2010. And what is this? Looks like a capsule. It's like you can put it on a keychain in the pocket. Let's unspin it. It's all made out of titanium, obviously very expensive materials, and it's pretty thick. So what do you think this is? This is probably for salt or pepper, and this is for salt, or other way around. How cool is that? So you can bring it with you on a keychain or whatever. It's pretty hefty. I love it. It's really durable too, and you can bring with you all that. So let's close it up. Super smooth, as you can see, and this where you would refill it. Get a pretty decent screwdriver and unspin it. Obviously you don't have to unspin it every time, just for refilling purposes. Wow, this is perfect. Let's take it out. As you can see, it will hold quite a bit of paper. So it could be like a little stash container too. Super nice. I really enjoyed that kind of everyday carry gadgets. Never seen anything like that. Super unique. Next, I got here iron zirconium spinning top, and this is the maker. So this is handmade. As you can see, it has kind of like heat treated, different color. It's beautiful. So yeah, very high quality. So what it says on it, there's the name of the maker, 2017, so not super old. And what does it say? It says zirconium on it. Cool, let's start to spin it. Wow, that's really easy. If you get parabolic mirror, it probably would be even easier, but yeah, that's looking good. Just on a flat table, it lasts a long time. This is nice. It's a good little spinner, high quality, wow. So if you get parabolic mirror, it's probably gonna last a long time. Okay, I didn't even spin it that good, and it's going really well. So it's high precision little spinners. Wow. Can't believe it. Definitely satisfying to look at. I remember Inception, he had one of their spinning tops. That's what it's called. Oh, let's start to do this again. Very easy spinning it. That's cool. Got a lighter in the fan mail. It's like a lighter electric pen. Ooh, cool. Does it need to be charged? Oh, okay, there's on, fully charged. That is interesting. That's unique. So it has like a safety, lighting up a candle, long lighter. Set up like a candle. There's a band of it. Very cool. I like it. There's easy to charge it, on and off, double safety. Very cool.